For more than 3 decades, Hubble has functioned as one of the most powerful and influential scientific instruments ever constructed by human civilization, consistently revealing extraordinary and previously unimaginable cosmic phenomena that were entirely inaccessible to earlier generations of astronomers, hidden far beyond the limitations of ground-based technology, atmospheric clarity, and even the boundaries of human conceptual imagination. Quietly, persistently, and without interruption, the telescope continues its precise and controlled orbit high above Earth, suspended within the vast, silent, and seemingly infinite darkness of space, moving in a continuous trajectory that carries it far beyond the physical reach of human hands, laboratories, maintenance systems, and any direct form of real-time human control. From this extraordinary observational position, located hundreds of kilometers above the Earth's surface, Hubble maintains an uninterrupted and stable view of the universe, allowing it to collect light from distant cosmic regions with a level of clarity, consistency, and long-term precision that was once thought to be fundamentally impossible to achieve using any form of optical instrumentation. Far above the constantly shifting and distorting layers of Earth's atmosphere, the telescope operates in a near-perfect observational environment, completely free from atmospheric turbulence, air density fluctuations, moisture interference, cloud obstruction, and thermal distortion, all of which significantly limit and degrade the performance of even the most advanced ground-based observatories. In this rare and scientifically invaluable environment, light that has traveled across unimaginable cosmic distances for millions, billions, and sometimes even more years passes through the vacuum of space and enters directly into Hubble's highly engineered optical systems and extremely sensitive detectors, allowing the telescope to capture images of extraordinary resolution, depth, and scientific complexity. When Hubble was first launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in April 1990, it represented far more than the simple deployment of a scientific instrument into orbit. It marked a defining milestone in the history of human exploration, symbolizing the collective ambition of an entire species to extend its senses beyond Earth and to observe the universe directly, rather than relying solely on theoretical interpretation or limited ground-based observation. The mission itself was the culmination of decades of scientific research, engineering development, optical innovation, and technological advancement, brought into existence through the coordinated efforts of thousands of scientists, engineers, mathematicians, aerospace specialists, and visionary thinkers working across multiple institutions and generations, all unified by a shared goal of expanding humanity's observational reach into deep space. Years of conceptual design, precision engineering, structural testing, optical calibration, software development, and iterative problem-solving were ultimately compressed into a single extraordinary machine, engineered with the purpose of not only capturing images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and cosmic structures, but also of answering fundamental questions about the origin, evolution, and large-scale structure of the universe itself. At the time of its launch, only a small fraction of the global scientific community could truly anticipate or fully comprehend how profoundly this orbiting observatory would eventually transform our understanding of space, time, matter, energy, gravity, and the long-term evolution of cosmic systems on a universal scale. Initially, Hubble was broadly perceived as an incremental but important advancement in astronomical technology, a more powerful and refined telescope designed primarily to produce sharper, clearer, and more detailed images than any optical instrument that had existed before it in the entire history of observational astronomy. However, as its mission progressed and years of continuous data collection accumulated into vast archives of images, measurements, and deep sky observations, it gradually became undeniable that Hubble's true scientific impact would extend far beyond its original technical expectations, redefining entire fields of astrophysics and cosmology in the process. From its stable and unobstructed position above Earth's turbulent atmosphere, Hubble fundamentally transformed the night sky from what once appeared to be a blurred, flickering, and seemingly static collection of distant points of light into a vast, highly structured, and deeply dynamic cosmic landscape filled with motion, complexity, gravitational interaction, and hidden physical architecture that had remained invisible for all of human history prior to space-based observation. However, as years turned into decades and continuous streams of observational data began to accumulate, it became increasingly evident that Hubble's true influence would extend far beyond its original technical goals. What began as an improved observational instrument gradually evolved into one of the most transformative tools in the history of science. From its stable position above Earth's turbulent atmosphere, Hubble fundamentally changed the way humanity perceives the night sky. What once appeared as a faint, blurred, and seemingly static arrangement of distant points of light was revealed instead as a vast, highly structured, and deeply dynamic cosmic system filled with motion, complexity, and hidden physical processes operating on unimaginable scales. Objects that once seemed faint, uniform, or featureless began to reveal extraordinary internal structures, including swirling formations, energetic interactions, and gravitationally shaped patterns that had remained completely invisible to generations of ground-based observation. Stars, once perceived simply as tiny points of light, were revealed as immense and powerful nuclear furnaces, continuously generating vast amounts of energy through fusion processes occurring deep within their cores. Many of these stars are so distant that their light has traveled across the universe for millions or even billions of years before finally reaching Hubble's sensitive instruments. Each image captured by the telescope therefore represents far more than a simple photograph. It functions as a window into deep time, preserving light that originated in ancient epochs of cosmic history, long before the formation of Earth, the Solar System, or any known planetary systems capable of supporting life. Galaxies appear as vast, evolving structures shaped by gravity over billions of years, with spiral arms stretching across hundreds of thousands of light-years, continuously influenced by rotation, collision, and long-term gravitational interactions. At the centers of many galaxies, Hubble has revealed extremely energetic regions where matter is compressed to extreme densities and accelerated to extraordinary speeds. These regions are often powered by supermassive black holes, which exert enormous gravitational influence over entire galactic systems and shape their long-term evolution. These discoveries have fundamentally changed the scientific understanding of galaxies, transforming them from static collections of stars into dynamic, evolving systems that constantly interact, merge, and transform over cosmic time. Nebulae appear as vast clouds of gas and dust, acting as stellar nurseries where gravity slowly gathers material into dense regions that eventually collapse to form new stars. Within these regions, radiation and stellar winds from nearby massive stars sculpt and reshape the surrounding environment, revealing the full life cycle of stars from formation to destruction. As Hubble peers deeper into space, it captures light that has traveled for billions of years, allowing scientists to observe the universe in its earliest stages and study how the first large-scale structures gradually formed and evolved over cosmic history. Ancient galaxies appear in early developmental forms, offering direct evidence of how matter transitioned from simple gas clouds into increasingly complex structures over time. Massive stellar explosions further enrich space by dispersing heavy elements, which later become the foundation for new stars, planets, and potentially life-bearing systems. Over decades of continuous operation, Hubble has demonstrated that the universe is not static but constantly evolving. Galaxies change shape through gravitational interactions, stars are born and die in continuous cycles, and even the largest cosmic structures slowly transform across billions of years. Even today, Hubble continues its silent orbit around Earth, steadily collecting data and revealing increasingly deeper layers of the universe, expanding humanity's understanding of cosmic history with every observation it makes.